Hey kids, I'm going to make a video on how to share your work for math class. Hopefully you're able to get a spiral notebook. If you do, put math on the front, okay? And again, I'm not showing you this video to teach you multiplication. I'm showing you this video on how I want you to share your work. So let's say I give you a worksheet, this one here on the right, for example, all right? Most of the time I'll put a picture on it or some type of emblem to let me know what it is. So this is a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, and I call it the twins, all right? Minnesota Twins worksheet, okay? So let's say you have that for homework or whenever, okay? I want you to take your spiral notebook, all right? And I already used a couple of these pages, so I'm just going to go to this one right here, okay? And I want you to put your name, and the date, and then I want you to put the title of the multiplication worksheet. So multiplication, and this is called twins. All right. So now we're ready to go. Problem number 1. Skip a couple spaces down from your title and put a number 1. I know it's backwards on the screen, but I think you guys can figure this out. I mean, obviously I'm starting on the left, all right? Put number 1 and write the problem. 11 times 14, and our problem is right here, number 1. 11 times 14, and I'm going to use my lines to help me on the paper. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. Don't forget your 0, 1 times 1, and 1 times 1. So this comes out to 154. There's my first problem done. Circle my answer. Nice and neat. All right. Now I don't care if you go down or across. Sometimes I prefer going across. So I'm going to put number 2 here. Nice space in between the problems so it's not all ugly and crammed. The next problem is 51 times 22. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Add your 0, 2, and 10. 1,122. Hopefully I'm getting these right because I know I'm kind of fast. Next problem, skip a couple spaces over here. There's some space. And do our next problem. So 41 times 20, 0028 equals 820. Okay? See how nice the space that is? Easy to read, easy to follow. A lot of kids like to cram that up. Notice how I go 1, 2, 3. A lot of kids will put a 1 here, and then they'll do 2 down here, then they'll do 3 over here, and 4 up here. That's just chaos. Don't do that. All right, skip a couple spaces. Don't cram the next one up in here. Don't do this and start your next problem. Skip a couple spaces and go down. All right, so it'd be 52 times 38. Don't be sloppy. I'm starting to get a little sloppy. Don't do that. So 16, 40, 41, 6 and 15, 6, 7, 9, 1,976. Circle your answer. You see what I'm doing here? All right. Again, I'm not trying to show you how to multiply. I'm showing you how to show your work, how to present it. Now you keep going. All right. You could probably get another row down here, but don't cram. Don't be afraid to go to the back and continue your work here. All right. When you're done, don't tear it out unless I asked you to. Just keep it in there. And the next time you get an assignment, you'll do the same thing. You'll put your name, and the date, and the title of your worksheet. Maybe the next worksheet is multiplication, the Orioles or something. Okay? Skip a couple spaces and you start number 1 there. Okay? If you do that, and we can go over your work a lot easier. Okay? Don't rip it out unless I asked you. Just keep everything flowing from day 1 to day whatever, okay? All right, good. Thanks for watching.